Hey there, so you don't know how to install Homebrew on your Apple M1 MacBook? No worries, I got you. First, check the architecture of your MacBook. In the terminal window, type the command ARCH and hit enter. It should return ARM64 as your MacBook architecture. Once that's confirmed, head over to your browser. So you see, Homebrew now officially supports Apple Silicon chips. Now go to Homebrew's homepage. The link is in the description. Once you are in the homepage, copy the installation command. Now open your terminal window and paste in the copied installation command and hit enter. Then enter your MacBook password and hit enter again. It will ask you to confirm the install, so hit enter one last time. Now it will start downloading the installation files. It should take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Now the installation is complete, but we are not done yet. We need to copy and run these two commands. So copy the first command and paste it below, then hit enter. Finally, copy the second command and paste it below like before, and then hit enter. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Homebrew on your MacBook. Now Homebrew command should be a global command on your machine. To confirm that Homebrew was installed properly, run the command brew space help and then hit enter. The Homebrew help options should show up. Thanks for watching. I am glad that I could help. Comment below if it worked for you or not. And also like and subscribe as it really helps me out.